Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths Chapter 1 Large Numbers Session 4. In previous lecture, we learned about number names of the numerals using commas. Put commas at appropriate place to separate the numerals into periods. Show numerals in a place value chart. The place and the place value of the digits. The sum of the place values of the digits and the difference of the place value of the digits. Now we will continue this lecture from expanded form and standard form, expressing a number in different ways. Numbers can be expressed in many different ways. Writing numbers in words, that is, reading a number name. Standard form, that is, writing in numerals by placing commas properly, like 42,67,392. Expanded form, that is, writing the place values of each digit, as we have number 42,67,392. So we have 40 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 2. In the same way, expanded form in words. 4 is it in 10 lakhs, so we have write 4 10 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 6 10,000s plus 7 thousands plus 3 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. So let us see an example of first standard form to expanded form. Write the number 6 crore 34 lakh 25,425 in expanded form and expanded form in words. So we can see there is in start 6 crore plus 30 lakhs plus 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 5. So it is in write in expanded form in words. We can write it as 6 crores plus 3 10 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 2 10,000s plus 5 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. Now let us see an example which have expanded form to standard form. So we have 60 crore plus 3 crore plus 20 lakh plus 9 lakh plus 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. So we can see here we make a place value chart and put numbers according to places. So we have places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So we will write numbers according to their places. In 60 crore, we have 6 in 10 crore place. So we write 6 in 10 crore. In 3 crore, we have 3 in crore place. So we will write 3 in crore place. Now in 20 lakhs, we have 2 in 10 lakhs. So we will write 2 in 10 lakhs column. Next we have 9 lakh. So 9 in lakhs column. We have 40,000. So 4 in 10,000 column. Next we have 80,000. So we will write 8 in thousands place. Next is 600. So we will write 6 in hundred place. Next 30. We will write in tens place. Next 5, that is right in ones place. So number in standard form is 63 crore 29 lakh 48,635. Now our next topic is predecessor and successor. The predecessor of a number is 1 less than the given number. To find the predecessor of a given number, subtract 1 from the number. जो predecessor होता है वो हर एक नंबर से एक कम होता है. जो अब हमें predecessor फाइंड करना हो तो हम जिस नंबर का predecessor फाइंड कर रहे हैं उसमें से हमें 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से predecessor मिल जाता है. For a given number, the predecessor of that number will be smaller. कोई भी नंबर दिया हो उसका जो predecessor होगा वो उससे छोटा होगा, मतलब कि उस नंबर से छोटा होगा. 0 does not have a predecessor. 0 का कोई भी predecessor नहीं होता है. The successor of a number is the number obtained by adding 1 to it. This number comes just after the given number. जो सक्सेसर होता है नंबर का वो हमेशा हमें कैसे मिलता है? अगर हम नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं, मतलब कि 1 प्लस करते हैं तो हमें हर एक नंबर का सक्सेसर नंबर मिल जाता है. For a given number, the successor is greater than the given number. कोई भी नंबर हो तो उसका सक्सेसर जो होगा उस नंबर से बड़ा होगा. Now let us see one example of predecessor and successor. First we have an example of predecessor. We have a number 46 crore 14 lakh 83,643. So from this we subtract 1, so we get 46 crore 14 lakh 83,642. Other example of predecessor, we have 22 lakh 42,500. So from subtracting 1 from it, we will get 22 lakh 42,499. In the same way, see an example of successor. We have first number 38 lakh 96,142. In successor, we have to add 1 in the number. So when we add 1, we get 38 lakh 96,143. Another example of successor, 3 crore 42 lakh 92,499. So when we add 1 to it, we get 3 crore 42 lakh 92,500. So today we discuss about expanded form and standard form, predecessor and successor. In the next lecture, we do some exercise according to this. It will help to understand it well. Bye bye. Thank you.